Wagwan Massive, I am Mziba. Welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I know that I've been missing for quite a while. I know now wonder where Mziba there, but guys, life has been lifing as them say nowadays. But anyway, I'm back to share with you a Jamaican remedy that could possibly kickstart your weight loss journey. Now, it is interesting to note that this is one of the very few herbs that is actually approved by the FDA. Now, let's get into the video.
So what exactly are senna pods? Senna pods are the seed pods of the Cassia senna tree. Now the Cassia senna tree, it is a relative of the Cassia alata or candlebush as we call it in Jamaica, or what we also refer to as king of the forest. Both these plants bloom a bright yellow flower. Now the senna tree is botanically referred to as Cassia angustifolia or Cassia acutifolia. The Cassia senna tree is native to the Caribbean and other tropical countries in other parts of the world. So you will find this in the Middle East and Asia, in countries such as India and Pakistan. Now, some of our suppliers or local suppliers in Jamaica, they will source their Cassia senna pods from places like India because it is not as commonly found today as it was back in the day. But yes, you'll still find some trees locally. Now, Jamaicans use the senna pods for a number of reasons. And this includes relieving the symptoms of constipation and bloating. And this is the very reason that we believe that it does contribute to weight loss. Now, science indicates that the senna pods contain a compound known as sennacides. And it is this natural compound that gives the senna pods its laxative effect on the digestive tract. Basically, how senna pods supports weight loss is that it causes dehydration from the loss of frequent bowel movement and from water. It also works to suppress the appetite. So based on its effect on the gut, it will suppress the appetite. And this is also one of the lingering effects that would contribute to weight loss. Now there are some other uses of the senna pods. Senna pods are used to treat things like hemorrhoids. It's used for a general cleanse, so cleansing of the bowel. And it's also believed to cleanse the liver, just like with the Cassia alata. It's used as a treatment for irritable bowel syndrome, stomach cramps, gallbladder congestion, and so, to clean up the gallbladder. And just like the king of the forest, it is also used in the treatment of skin conditions. Now, how do Jamaicans use senna pods? So back in the day, what our foreparents would do, they would boil the tea. So they would use like anywhere between 6 to 12 pods, and they would boil that in 2 cups of water. And then our grandparents would administer this the first thing in the morning before you consume any kind of food or any kind of drink. Now, basically, after the first 2 bathroom episodes, then that is now when we would be given some coconut water to help with rehydration and to prevent dehydration. Now today you will find the senna pod. It comes in basically 3 forms. You can get it in the pill form, you can get the pods, and you can also get the leaves. The pods tend to be a little less irritating than the leaves. Now, some precautions. As Jamaicans would say, this concoction operates your belly. So that just means that this causes mild to severe stomach cramps. Yes, guys, taking the senna pods, you will feel some stomach cramps. Now, because this is a cleanse, it causes diarrhea. And so, of course, you're going to be making frequent trips to the restroom or the bathroom, which is typical reaction as this is stimulating the colon. Now, the senna pods, it will cause dehydration and electrolyte imbalance, and this is the very reason why our foreparents actually gave us coconut water to help with that. Some persons experience nausea, and there are other side effects such as unusual urine color, and this can range anywhere from a deep yellow color or deep yellow tint to a very red-brown tint. Now, these are some side effects of the senna pods. Senna pods should only be taken once in a blue moon, or in other words, once in a while. Taking the senna pods too often can result in severe dependence and this can lead to some rupturing. Some other unusual side effects, which are usually rare, are severe pain or bleeding. And in these cases, family, you just need to go and see your doctor right away. So who should take Senna Pods? Not everybody. Senna Pods is not for anyone who has kidney issues, liver issues, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. In pregnancy, it could cause premature labor, and so Senna Pods are not for these individuals. And definitely it is not for individuals who are on certain kinds of medication. So if you're on your metformin and things like that, you definitely know you have to consult your doctor before taking Senna Pods. No, Senna Pods, they provide relief from bloating and is a good start for persons seeking to cleanse in order to kickstart their weight loss journey. Senna Pods are a powerful natural laxative, and when used correctly, they can effectively relieve occasional constipation and cleanse the bowel. Now, if you enjoyed this video on Senna Pods, leave me a comment. Let me know. Did your granny ever give you Senna Pods? See you in the next video.